What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and good morning. And in this video we'll take a look at Ethereum again. Ethereum was also to start off with a quick recap. Ethereum yesterday also got some bullish momentum, and that's also what we talked about. I mean, yesterday what I said is that, well, all right, we have found support at this 236 fib of this move up. So I said, I think it's more likely that we'll also drop down lower, right? So towards the support levels around 1840 and 1820. But before that, we could actually spike up again. That's what I said. And if you don't believe me, you can just look up that video. But that's what we did. And right now what you're seeing is that we are getting a little bit of bearish momentum. A little bit. I mean, it's not confirmed yet, but I think, or at least it's not confirmed for Bitcoin, but I do think it's confirmed for Ethereum. So we'll talk a bit about what that means in terms of the price, some amazing buy opportunities as well, in my eyes at least. So that's yeah, I think it's going to be interesting, but that's what we'll do. Before we dive into that though, if you want to receive daily trading signals from me, myself, then check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment, and there you will find instructions on how to join. But now to Ethereum. So the thing is that right now what you're seeing is that we found like there's this minor key level around like 1880, and we found some minor support there earlier today, but you can already see that it seems like we've gotten some sort of bearish confirmation, right? This is the second time that we broke above 1900 and that we also broke down below that again, so it looks more likely that in this weekend we'll actually have a bit of retracement. So the first level again, obviously, is 1860. I think momentum is out of that level. We found support around that area twice already. I think it's more likely that we'll start to drop down towards these levels right here around 1840. I don't expect a lot of bearish momentum. It does depend a little bit on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin now gets a bearish breakout and drops down to 29,700, which could be considered quite a big drop. Like that drop for Bitcoin would mean that Ethereum will probably drop down to this level. And this is also, in my eyes, the most interesting level. So let me just highlight that a bit better. This level right there. That's in my eyes the most interesting level. It's the break retest of this trend line, which is a strong trend line. And then you also have the 382 fib, which is a very strong Fibonacci level. And you actually have, I mean, there's just a lot of support there. So it's multiple support levels. You got some EMAs coming together. So this is an area where I am considering buying. I would rather see a little bit of confirmation though. So for example, that we touch that level and that we hold it initially, because I think if we can hold it initially, then we can actually get some more bullish momentum off of it. The reason why I wouldn't set a limit order right now is because we're unsure what a drop of Bitcoin, which does seem to be coming, a little bit of a retracement. We don't know how much a Bitcoin retracement, what that would mean for Ethereum, because we all know that if Bitcoin drops down 1%, Ethereum drops down 2%, right, overall. But that's just a general rule that Ethereum is more volatile. But in this case, I mean, we don't know. So I'd rather have some confirmation also from Bitcoin that will find support, because these are quite unstable times, and then that I'll buy a little bit later for Ethereum. And I'm actually not sure where the chart is. Yes, I found it, but it's a goner. But yeah, so I'd rather wait for that a little bit. Let me actually look that back up, instead of just placing a limit order there, especially in the weekends when the volume is relatively low. And when the volume is relatively low, like levels like that, even though there's a lot of support there, they're just not as strong as when it's the week. So it's always better to wait for that as well. But for now, that's my take on Ethereum. So thank you for watching today. I'll see you in my next videos, and bye.